Welcome back to Silicophilic. If you have never heard of Hyper 5, you are not alone. Hyper 5 is Microsoft's built-in virtualization feature that lets you create and run virtual machines. While it's a powerful tool for developers, IT professionals, and advanced users, most Windows users don't actually need it. In fact, if you never use virtual machines, Hyper 5 can reserve system resources in the background and may even cause compatibility issues with virtualization software. Disabling it can help free up those resources and eliminate unnecessary conflicts. In this video, I will show you the ways to disable Hyper 5 on Windows 11. So let's get started. Use PowerShell to turn off Hyper 5. If you are comfortable using command line tools, PowerShell is one of the quickest ways to disable Hyper 5. Launch Windows PowerShell with administrator privileges using the search menu. Once the PowerShell windows opens, enter this command and press enter. Windows will begin disabling the Hyper 5 hypervisor. The process may take a few moments to complete. If you ever want to turn Hyper 5 back on, simply use the command but replace disable with enable. You can also follow our dedicated guide to enable Hyper 5. After the command finishes running, close PowerShell and restart your computer if completed. Force disable Hyper 5 via Registry Editor. If Hyper 5 remains enabled even after trying the previous methods, hypervisor enforced code integrity, also known as memory integrity, may be preventing it from turning off completely. In that case, you can use a registry file to disable it. Before making any changes to the Windows registry, it's a good idea to back up your registry or create a system restore point. This gives you a way to restore your system if anything goes wrong. To get started, type Notepad in the Windows search and select the top option. Once Notepad opens, copy and paste this registry code into the blank document. You can copy and paste all the commands and codes from the video description below. Now click File, then choose Save As. Select a location that's easy to find, such as your desktop. Give the file any name you like, but make sure it ends with the .reg extension like this. Next, change the Save As type option from text documents to all files and then click Save. Locate the registry file you just created and double-click it. If Windows displays a user account control prompt, click Yes. You will see another information message from the registry editor. Click Yes again to merge the file into the registry. Finally, click OK when the process is complete. Restart your computer to apply the changes. Once your PC boots back up, Hyper 5 should be fully disabled. If you no longer need the registry file, you can safely delete it from your computer. Use Control Panel to disable Hyper 5. If you would rather use the graphical interface, you can disable Hyper 5 through the Control Panel. Press Windows+R to open the Run dialog, type appways.cpl and press Enter. In the window that opens, click Turn Windows Features on or off from the left pane. Windows will take a few moments to load the list of optional features. Once the list appears, locate Hyper 5. You can either expand it and uncheck Hyper 5 hypervisor or simply uncheck the entire Hyper 5 option to disable all of its components. Now click OK and let Windows apply the changes. When prompted, restart your PC to complete the process. After the restart, Hyper 5 will be disabled on your Windows 11 PC. And that's it. Those are the ways to disable Hyper 5 on your Windows 11 PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Silicophilic for more easy to follow Windows tips, tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one.